Once upon a time, in a kingdom called the Daha Kingdom, led by a king named King Kartamata, the king had two beautiful daughters. The first daughter was named Dewi Galuh, while her sister was named Chandra Kirana. Unlike Dewi Galuh, Chandra Kirana already has a fiancé. Her fiancé is the crown prince of Kahuripan, whose name is Raden Inu Kertapati. Dewi Galuh felt jealous because Dewi Galuh felt that Raden Inu was more suitable for her than her sister. Dewi Galuh had dark eyes until finally she went to the witch with a residence and asked her for her help to make Chandrakirana into something disgusting and terrible, so that Raden Inu shunned her. The witch wants to accept Dewi Galuh's request. She wants to cooperate with Dewi Galuh in exchange for a certain amount of gold. Not long after, Chandrakirana turned it into a golden snail, then was drawn to the river.
Another day, a king's grandmother was looking for fish with a net in the river. Without realizing it, the golden snail got caught in the grandmother's net and was taken home. The next day, the grandmother went to the garden to check her vegetables. When she returned home, she was surprised to see many kits of food available on the dining table. The grandmother wondered who had cooked and thought good food for her. This incident happens every day, so grandmother became curious. One morning, before going to the river, grandmother peeked at what was happening at her house. How shocked he was to see Kyung Mas turn on into a beautiful woman. He went over to her and asked who she was. Chandra Kirana told her grandmother everything. After telling everything to grandmother, Chandra Kirana changed back into Kyung Mas.
Raden Inu also told him that he was following Talking Crow unexpectedly. The grandfather swung his stick at the crow. The raven fell and turned into a wizard. It turned out the grandfather was the same person. The grandfather told him that the crow was an evil witch. The grandfather thought rather Inu to look for Chandra Kirana in Dadapan village. In Dadapan village, he stopped at a house for water. When he went to ask for water, who surprised Raden Inu was to see Chandra Kirana, with the grandmother. The meeting of Raden Inu and Chandra Kirana made all of Chandra Kirana curious. Despair returned to the kingdom of Daha. Chandra Kirana told everything to her father. Afraid of being punished, Dewi Galuh immediately ran away from the Daha kingdom and never returned. The end of the story. Chandra Kirana and Raden Inu lived happily together. The grandmother had been taking care of him was taken to the palace.
Meanwhile, in the Daha kingdom, Raden Inu intends to find his villains and pretends to be a charmer. Devi Galuh told the witch that Raden Inu would look for Chandra Kirana. The witch then turned into a crow and flew to look for Raden Inu. Raden Inu, who was on his way to look for his friends, was suddenly surprised by the arrival of a tall crow and told him where his fence was. Raden Inu was there and ran after the crow, without Raden Inu knowing. The crow was a witch who actually led Raden Inu to the wrong path. On the way, his steps stopped when he saw the old grandfather leaning against a tree. He looked weak. Raden Inu shared his provisions with his grandfather. While eating, Raden Inu told everything to his grandfather. Raden Inu also told him that he was following the talking crow, especially the grandfather swung his stick at the crow. The raven fell and turned into a wizard. It turned out that the grandfather was the same person. The grandfather told him that the crow has an evil witch. The grandfather told Raden Inu to look for Chandra Kirana in Dadapan village.
In Dadapan village, he stopped at a house to ask for water. When he wanted to ask for water, how surprised Raden Inu was to see Chandrakirana there with the grandmother. The meeting of Raden Inu and Chandrakirana made all of Chandrakirana's curse disappear. They returned to the kingdom of Daha. Chandrakirana told everything to her father, afraid of being punished. Devi Galuh immediately ran away from Daha kingdom and never returned. The end of the story, Chandrakirana and Raden Inu lived happily ever after. The grandmother, who had been taking care of her, was taken to the palace.